Today is the day we solder this. If we pan over, Ben's got a wiring diagram on there. Well, yeah, that'll work. Yep. That's what we're going to go with. I was setting up the camera, and the cat's already involved. Oh, the cat just took off. She was sitting right out here. So, anyways, I'm going to set up and you watch the intro. Hey, look at that, we're back. Soldering iron heating up, that's it. Forgot to turn it on. I was just looking over the manual here, instructions on what we need to make this all just a regular humbucker. Alright. Oh man, they didn't even slice back the wires. That's fine. That's fine. Alright, what do we gotta do here? These are all switches. I don't want switches. Trouble compensate. Well, now the cat's back. Of course. What do you want? Hi. You coming in? Alright. That's the side I want. Alright, general. Right. Remove your old pickup carefully. Done. I didn't do it. Alright, what do we got? Use soldering iron with a fine tip. That's fine. To take full advantage of your new pickup, we strongly recommend using DiMarzio parts and hardware. Nope, that's not an option. Standard humbucking wiring, series wiring. I think that's what I want. Sure. All DiMarzio 4-conductor pickups have red, black, green, and white wires. The standard wiring for most humbuckers is series humbucking, I assume. Okay, to do this, solder the black and white wires together. Okay. Cover the solder connection with tape. I have that, so it does not touch any of the other wire. Solder the red wire to the hot connection in the guitar circuit. Well, that just makes sense. Red, hot, sure. Where you're placing the pickup, the red wire will be soldered in the same place as the hot center wire of the original pickup. Was there a center wire? I don't know. What we got there? That's only 2 leads on the old one. It's right off camera. Alright, so red goes to hot, black and white together, green and bare to ground. Well, alright, well that's about as straightforward as mud. Where's my wire stripper? It was here until I cleaned the bench. Oh, there it is. Alright. You know, fancy ones. Cat's still keeping an eye on things. That's always nice. What are we doing? Black and white together. Right, green. Jesus. I need new glasses. Where's the green? Well, green looks gray, so I'm going to assume that was her. Okay. Red is red. Black and white together. Alright, so. Does this even go down small enough for these? Sure. What's that? Let's go. Oh, Jesus. Why am I doing this today, Ben? Because it's the only day of the week you can do this. 22 gauge? Nope. Slipped right through. Okay. That's fine. It's fine. Alright, I'm going to pause this because I only have so much space on this today. I'm just going to strip wires. Alright, wires are stripped. You know what? We don't really need this right here at the moment. But you're attached to the mic. Alright, how are we going to do this? Let's just put the mic down. Alright, suppose I could have edited. Oh, hang on. There we go. Suppose I could have edited that part out. Alright, is this? Yep. Alright. Look, Aaron. Flux. Let's open up the flux. Barely used. Imagine that. Alright. What do we got here? Electrical. These are both the same, basically. Well, one's lead-free and the other one's lead-free. Silver bearing. Alright. Well, Mazel used the silver bearing. Is that like load bearing? I don't know. Alright. Wire. That's right, that's what we're doing. Alright, so we got them all splayed out like a floral arrangement. So in theory, I should be able to. We'll just do that, and we'll just prop it up with that. We got the solder there. Sure, alright. That's not going to work at all, because I need the solder to feed. To feed on it. Load-bearing fret erasers? Yep, that'll work. Alright, I almost moved this out of the way. Almost. Alright, so let's tin up the tip. Yep, there we go. Yeah. Nice and clean. Let's get the hair out of there so we don't smell burning hair. Alright, oh wait. Let's see a frayed one. There we go. Oh! Mazel. Take the black and the white, since they have to be connected with each other. We'll just twist on them a bit. That didn't work at all. Okay, let's try that again. Just twist on them a bit. Sure. Oh, we got all the shakes today. Having fun yet? Oh, I picked the wrong day to do this. Get some pressure on the wire. You can do it. There we go. Nope. There we go. Let's heat that up. Just feed on a little. Sure. Spread that around a little. Yep. That's fine. All right. Green and bear go together. There we go. Get it clean. Heat up on it. I got the iron on the underside. I'm feeding the solder onto the top side of the wire, so I'm not just feeding it onto the solder tip. Don't worry. Looking at you, Trev. As I breathe in all the flux. That didn't work at all. Maybe if a fella clipped on him. Oh no, it just looks like I'm melting all the... Oh, that... Ow! No, that's warm. I'm not considering that a burn. That was just... Alright, apparently rubbed off all that solder. You know what? We're going to dip a little in the flux and just spread that on her. Alright, let's rearrange there. Since you want to keep turning around on me. Now, I'm sure all that flux is burnt off by now. You know, that always just likes to go right into the nostrils. There we go. Easy. Come on. Adhere. Melt. Why? Oh, come on. Adhere. Why? Why won't you adhere? It's getting very hot on my fingers. Alright, I'm going to pause this and finish tinning. Christ. We're back. Wires tinned, sure. Tesi Switch, volume pot, mini volume pot. Excuse me. Well, that is a mini pot. Alpha pot, too. I don't know what that means. Those of you who know. Alright, I suppose we should should have grabbed the guitar before hitting play. Put those there. Do you fit on there? Barely. Alright. Fair enough. Alright, I should go grab a guitar. Actually, before we grab the guitar, how about we prep the pot? Right. Alright. That's it. I'm going to look at it this way. That lug needs to go. Alright, so that lug. That lug right there. Alright. Alligator clip to hold this. That's not going to work at all. You know, Ben, you have that. Where's the soldering station? You bought one. Found it. Sure. Let's just put that right there. That's fine. Now, grab that. Oh, you know what? First thing we need to do is sand. There's sandpaper everywhere. Jeez. Gotta sand on a bit of it. Scuff it up. Scuff it up. Let's not use something covered in paint. That's brilliant. Still looking out there, cat? That's fine. How about something that's not emery cloth that'll end up just polishing it? Right. Fret eraser. That'll work. Work nicely. Alright. I'm gonna. No, do I? Do I have wire handy? You bought wire, Ben. That's right. What's this wire for? That looks like a ground wire of some kind. Looks like another ground wire of some kind. We'll just use some of this ground wire. Right. Microphone. Hang on. I gotta find. Let's see how this works out. You don't need to be there. You're just gonna be a distraction. Yep, sure. Alright, we got a little piece of wire. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is heat up this lug. A little bit of flux. There we go. And we're just gonna off the back side of it. There we go. I just realized this end is not stripped enough. Can a fella? I don't know. Maybe. Sure. What'd that do? Oh, that just cut the whole freaking end off. Do we have enough wire left to make this happen? No. Come on. You can do it. Hold it. That worked. Where's my wire? There's my wire. Is there enough additional to make you adhere? Wow, that wire, because it's only 3/4 of an inch, got hot real fast. All right. Where's my crocodile clips? There they are. Use these as a heat sink. Perfect. All right, Let's try right-handed soldering again. Let's get the solder handy there. Nope. All right, hang on a sec. Let's heat up the wire. Forgot to tin the wire. Ow, 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 ow. Handshake. Just shook hot solder all over me. You just don't want to grab, do you? Did you? Oh, you thought about it. Bastard. Oh, Christ almighty. I'm trying not to swear, folks. Andy, why? Why would you do that? Are you? Oh, because you're from the fucking jungle website. That's why. All right. Where'd that go? That was in there. All right. There. Do we do that too? No. All right. So let's try this again. Let's tin that out. Thought I did, but apparently, I don't know, it all flaked off or something. I don't know. Alright. Now, in theory, since they're both tinned, I could heat up from the backside. And it adheres. Sweet! One connection down. Already halfway through the video. Perfect. Alright. Now, we're going to clip on that. Bend it on down. And you know what? Let's see if we can't, without burning out the pot. Oh, you know what? We need the flux there. The flux. Heat up the pot. Let's put a. There we go. Down, put it in the right spot. All right, as I said, put it right down, find the spot, heat up additional solder. One ground wire. All right. Now we need the guitar. Pause the movie. Oops. Forgot the mic. So Martin of Lucas and Martin's Guitar Corner said you should do this all outside of it and then put it in. So I'm going to do the exact opposite and not do any of that. Where's my random ground wire? That's the random ground wire, isn't it? So that's still more than enough. All right, so you're going to come off here. Yep, look at that, disconnected. All right, that's a volume pot that we can figure out what that's for later. All right, fine. So. Alright, since we got lots of extra, let's cut them both off. Well, I don't have to cut the other end. I already cut the other end. There. Strip. Not that much, sure. There we go. Perfect. Spin those around. Sure. There. Well, why don't we cut both ends and then we can tin both ends. An idea. There. All right. Heating up wire. Letting wire contact solder. And there we go. All right, let's try that again. Can I do it twice in a row? That would be a first. Ow! Hot solder on the back of the hand. Ow! And on the back of the finger. Sure. And we'll get down to the solder. Smoky, smoky. Ow! The old flux ticket. Let's do this right over the body. Charles is happy about that. Sure. All right. That would be the ground wire. Where's the ground wire go through? Charles, we discussed this. Where does the ground wire... Oh. Oh, Jesus. Can I even see that? Where was it? It's right in around there. What are we going to poke through? No. Can a fella figure out where that, or did it go through there? No, there's a hole right there. What's that for? No, that goes into the pickup cavity. Well, where does the ground go through? Oh, help a guy understand. I don't. Like, we got a dab. Solder. What the deuce? Well, we'll just worry about that later then, won't we? All right, well, let's flip around. Easy. Why are you getting... Just go over there. Christ. Put on my last nerve with this thing. All right, I'm going to mount the pickup. You don't need to see that. Feed on all these wires. Let's try feeding 5 wires through a little hole. Mount for 2. That's fine. See how much Charles filled in. Oh, there we are. Well, that went. Oh, that's got to be the smoothest thing that's happened in this entire build. All right, I'm going to pause this while I screw this to the guitar. So, you know, of course. So I'm going to mount this, but guess what? I can, the pickup's sitting right on wood is what I'm saying. And like we can take this, which is like 1/4 inch thick, and guess what? Slides underneath. So I'm going to raise the pickup, and hopefully I can raise it enough that, I don't know. Can we? Can a fella? It's a flipping comedy of errors. We had flirted with the idea of direct mounting the pickup. Cat scratching on the deck upstairs, that's fine. Yeah, let's measure fucking once and cut twice. Nope, that's not gonna work. Because even the screws are too long. It's sitting on the screws. Oh, all right. Well, yeah, these are maxed out. I mean, we can go further. But still, with the screws. Yeah, that pickup's way too high. How? Where's the old one? Let's look at the old one. How is it designed? All right, well, fine. We'll hold that one. Well, the pickup base is a tick wider, but these would be the old screws. Where? How? There. Whoops. Oh, well, there. Yeah, that. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna have to remount the pickup, which this might be the end of today's flipping video if we keep this up. All right, so let me move. Yeah, flipping errors. All right, let's clean that off. So what I'm hoping is the shorter stock factory screws will in fact screw into this base, right? Mating ritual thing. Alright, so first thing we'll do, we're only going to remove one side because the other one's load bearing. You know what? We got to back her off though, because we're not going to be able to compress the spring that much. This is why you dry fit stuff, Ben. Yep. You're right. That's exactly why we dry fit stuff. It's just comedy of errors. Whole channel, just comedy of errors. Doug Strong's enjoying this. He likes to see me in pain. Guitar Man 45's just saying, been there, done that. Of course, Chris is just laughing maniacally, loving every minute of this. Charles 75N at least feels 15% sympathy for me, but he's enjoying the laughter as well. They're all a bunch of mean SOBs in my opinion, but we love them. Alright, so careful. We're just going to surround the spring. Will this work? Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You're just about there. Just about. And there you go. Alright. So spring out. Screw out. Ben, you're forgetting the spring. No, I'm not. No point in trying to draw it, test on it without it. Easy. Easy. There we go. Yes. It would be really nice if we could just use the old screws. But apparently, no such flippin' luck. Great. Heavy sigh. I bet you these are the same length as the other ones. Yep. That's fine. Alright. What's Ben got to do now? Well, Ben's got to find his Dremel. So I got to cut down on these to make, that's, yeah, I'm looking at the difference. That's the height. Anybody know how to direct mount a pickup? What do you do? Just screw these right into the wood, I guess? I am not knowing. I'm shrugging. Dremel. Where's my Dremel? Alright. Pause. Alright, in theory, this is my Dremel kit. Yeah, oh! We found a Dremel. All with all the accessories. Don't need all the accessories. That. Oh, we already got a cutting wheel on there. Imagine that. What else we got in here? All kinds of bits and bobs, and oh, there's the wrench. Okay. I don't even know what those are for. Pretty sure my dad bought the Dremel kit. Not so much Dremeling these days. Alright. Then we got all the accessories. Don't need any of them yet. Probably will as soon as I put it down. That's fine. Does this have any cut left in it? Maybe. Alright, let's turn off the soldering or soldering iron. Got safety glasses on? Yep. Alright. So the key is we got to measure off. How about we remove that? Easy. Easy. Alright. Well, I suppose there could be a touch on the short shots. Short side. As Sean Connery would say. Short side. Alright, do I have thin tape? Yep. Alright, easy. Expecting the light to come flying down on me. Narrow. Narrow. There we go. Narrow bandwidth. Just like in my life. Come on, it just needs a short piece. Just a guide. Alright, there we go. So if I line those up, and that's roughly... there. Oh yeah, and then fall off. Story of my fucking life. Right there. No, don't fold back on. Oh, and don't go crooked. There. Let's just say there. All right, let's see if this will even. Do I need? Am I going to do this by hand? Do I have a vise? That'd be nice. Oh, it's out in the garage. Oh, all right. You know what? Oh. Where are they? Do I have a pair in here? Where's my vice grips? Vice grips will work. I'm going to go find some vice grips. 19 and a half hours. I find one pair, which are like the rustiest, crustiest known to man pair. Yeah. All right, let's see if this works. It's probably going to work once. I thought I was dead in the water for today, folks. Thought this would be the end of the video. See, the key is to hold it tight enough that it doesn't go flying out of your hands, but not so tight you're crushing the threads on it. It's a delicate balance, you know. Which, crusted out vice grips is not easy. There. Let's see if that's enough. There we go. Alright, this is plugged in. Yeah, it sounds healthy. This is not going to work. That's just spinning around on there. Well, how? Oh yeah, we have to tighten that up. That's a slot head. Sure. That's just going to slide around in there because that won't tighten. Oh wait, you have to lock this or something. How do you lock it? Nope. I thought you could lock these things. Oh, screw it. Oh, that's not even spinning. That big chunk of something missing there. What is that now? Why won't you spin? Well, you have one purpose in life. Seriously. Probably a switch on the back, don't do squat. Are you locked in neutral or something? Like what? How? Oh, you're spinning there. Help a guy. Now I gotta fix my flippin' Dremel? This is why I can't have nice things. I don't know why I unplugged it. Safety. Why won't you turn? You are like just locked in. Black & Decker rotary tool. Yeah, that's what it should be. What's that for? I don't understand it has an arrow that way and an arrow that way. There's got to be a... What's that supposed to do? Speed? Why aren't you turning? Yeah, you're locked in. Maybe you're not supposed to turn, just the innards turn. That doesn't make any sense. There. Yeah, I know I don't have the one plastic piece on. I'm pretty sure it's only for safety anyways. See, now the whole thing turns. Alright. Well, that's not going to work out at all, but we'll give it a shot. Maybe we could just clamp it right down. See, that's the problem. You can't lock it down. Oh, maybe that's what that button's for. Oh, that's what that button's for. Oh. All right, now how do you get the button back up? Oh, great. I wrecked it. How? I push that down. How? Apparently I'm playing with this record. Kinda working. Still slips too much for my liking, but if I just barely touch it, I might get these both cut in about 49 hours. So, I think I'm going to leave things at this, folks, and get these cut. You probably can't hear me because of this, but hacksaw would be handy right about now. Well, yeah, all the metal filings right into the thumb. Anyways, I've been Ben. You been you. We're about halfway through this one. It's only been an hour and a half. Started this video at 11 this morning. Now well after lunch. Yeah, I'm just going to keep playing with this.